everyone, and welcome back for another video. If you are new here, my name is Courtney and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. So as you can tell, today's motivation for everyone is a cleaning of my primary bedroom, which is my bedroom. We're going to do a cleaning of my toddler's bedroom. We're going to be changing sheets, washing floors, and picking up stuff like that. Now you won't see me dust because both the rooms weren't dusty. I just needed to get in there and mostly clean the sheets and wash the floors. So that's what you're mostly going to see with the bedrooms. And then I'm also going to do 4 loads of laundry. So if you need some laundry motivation, then this is definitely the video for you. As you can tell, I was very behind on it and it needed to get done, but nothing new here. But thank you for clicking my video, and I will pop in and out when needed. Let's get into cleaning up this primary bedroom first. Alrighty, so the bed is all nice and changed, fresh sheets, and now I just have even more laundry to do, especially after doing my toddler's room. But anyways, we will get that done another time, but not in this video. I just wanted to throw out there, if you need some decluttering, organizing motivation, I did load a video up last Saturday where I go through my closet in my upstairs that was completely full of sheets and comforters and all of that. I get it all nice and organized, put in shelves, all the sets and bags. I decluttered so many blankets and sheets and pillowcases. So if you need decluttering motivation, I would definitely check out that video. It is full of it. So anyways, seeing how I'm talking, figured I would introduce myself since I haven't been doing that lately in my videos and I don't know why. But again, my name is Courtney and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. I am 30 years old. I'm a stay-at-home mom to two beautiful daughters. I have my 3-year-old just turned 4 on the 17th and my 11-year-old. I have been with my significant Matt, you hear that? I've been with my significant other. His name is Matt for 13 years. I have a dog. Her name is Astra. She's 8 years old. And we have been living in this house for 2 years. So if you have any more questions about that, please feel free to ask away. And if you have any other cleaning videos you would like to see from us or any other type of videos you would like to see from us, we love suggestions. So leave it down in the comment section, or feel free to go over to our Instagram account. We always have it linked in the description box, but I will have it right here on the screen, and you can ask there or feel free to go check it out. But anyways, now that I'm all done sweeping up this floor that needed to get done, I really wanted to get underneath these baseboards because usually I just go in with my Bissell Crosswave, but if you own one or seen the videos, you know that it doesn't get up and under, little spaces like that. So I wanted to get in there and actually clean underneath there. But you will also watch me wash the floors. But I just didn't want to be stepping all over it when I was doing laundry and, going back and forth to put everything away. So you will see that. But now you're going to watch me fold these loads of laundry. I do that little YouTube trick of the snap of the fingers through towards the end of putting this laundry away, but you will see me fold most of this, but I will do a little edit so you're not sitting here for 15 hours watching me fold all of this. But anyways, I will stop chit-chatting for now. Let's get into this laundry. So I have a question for you guys. When you are doing something and your kiddos are, well, here's YouTube magic, boom, done. And you have your kiddos around or any type of kids around and they're watching TV while you're doing something, and then you realize they finally had left a room and you're the one there stuck in. You hear that? So sorry guys, I'm tired. I'm doing this voiceover right before it has to go up. So I woke up really extra early. I'm behind on, doing all of this because I did have my sister, Brittany, come up from North Carolina with her two little cute puppies. One was 6 months old and the other one was 3 months old. And I was just behind on everything. And that's why this video isn't like the usual ones where it's like jam-packed with stuff. So spending some good quality time right before school starts. But anyways, now that I completely went left with that, my question for you guys is, do you get stuck watching the cartoons on TV without realizing you got stuck watching the cartoons on the TV? Like sometimes I'm sitting here and I'll be doing something or I'll be chilling, and then the next thing I know, I'm the one sitting here watching Mickey Mouse or Octonauts or Spidey and Friends or ABCs and 1-2-3s and Cocomelon and stuff like that. And then you're like, wow, I've been sitting here watching this show for like, I don't know, 30 minutes and I don't even know how long my kid's been gone for. You know what I mean? It happens all the time. But I know some of you might be wondering what clothes I was putting in that basket. And that's for my oldest daughter. She puts her own laundry away, thank goodness, because I absolutely hate putting laundry away. So she does her own laundry. So I put it into a basket for her, but I do separate it for her in the basket where I have, pants and then shirts and stuff like that. So that way it doesn't take her 15 years trying to figure out where everything goes. She can just put it right away. So anyways, now we are on to my toddler's bedroom. Well, is she a toddler if she's 4? I don't know. Is that still considered a toddler, or is she just a child? You guys let me know down in the comments. But anyways, here we are finally changing her bedding. She actually was very thankful that I did this for her. She finally acknowledged that, like, hey, my mom changed my sheets for me, and I usually never get that from her. Comes up the stairs. It was the cutest thing. She comes up the stairs. She's like, oh my goodness, mommy, thank you so much for changing my sheets. It was like literally cutest thing. It warmed my heart so much, you guys. And it was like, oh, now I feel appreciated. It was like all for nothing. You know what I mean? Like, you're so used to being a mom and just doing these things and getting it done, and they don't notice it. But when they do, it's like your heart stops for a second and it feels so warm. And it's like, oh my gosh, you appreciate it. Like, that's how I felt. You know what I mean? Let me know if that's how you get as well, or if your kids are just always thankful like that. But anyways, here we are cleaning up this room, getting these toys all put away. And like I said, we're going to be also sweeping and mopping these floors also. Alrighty guys, so once I am all done sweeping up these floors, I am going to go in with my cedar mop and get them all nice and clean. But anyways, this is the end of the video basically, so don't click out yet. And I wanted to say thank you so much for choosing my video to watch today. You didn't even have to click on it, and you did. And if you made it all the way to the end, I appreciate it so much. It helps our channel grow when you guys watch our videos from start to finish. Make sure you subscribe if you like this type of content of cleaning and organizing and decluttering. We have a bunch of deep cleaning videos as well, so feel free to check out our YouTube channel. But again, thank you. I appreciate it for watching. And until next time, guys, I will see you on Saturday, and Ashley uploads on Thursday. Bye.